So if you want to see the foundation look, this will be link at the description bar. Favorite brow pencil for now, which is the Adele brow pencil. To use the ABH brow mascara. To be frank and sincere with you, this brow mascara by ABH, this is not my first time of using it. How do I feel about it? I would say out of 10 I will give it 5. The P.LOUISE eyeshadow base in number 3. Until you apply a product there, it's going to continue creasing. Like, it's annoying, but I just have to use it. I paid £10 for this. So I'm going to take my powder, just a little bit, and set my lid in place. You see, it's already creasing safe. Let me not even talk too much. Let me respect myself and set my lid. Start with the eyeshadow. So, introduction. This is the Tammi S Revolution new palette, and you can see the splash of colors on the outside. But when you open it, it's all about colors. They wrote the name of the colors at the back. I also have a previous palette which looks like this, the Tammi S Revolution. This is our first palette from Revolution. So if you don't like colors, you can actually go and get this one from her. So this one has some neutral and a bit of colors on this palette. Okay. Try using this shade right here, this one. This eyeshadow, I'm starting with a very light hand because the pigmentation is out of this world right now for a £10 eyeshadow palette. So I'm building up that green, just patting it on the lid. So for a £10 eyeshadow palette, the pigmentation is not bad at all. They did well. The transition color that I use, I'll just use this to just blend the eyes. I need something to deepen the crease. I'm going to take this dark blue. This dark blue on the palette. I think I will need a small brush for this. The palette has a black shade, but I don't want to use the black. So it's not every time. I don't really like using black of late. So apply more of the green. Use the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, the new Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. Okay guys, that is done. The Maybelline Espuma liner. I'm going to use 2 colors underneath my eyes. These 2 shades right here. It matches the liner on the eyes. So just smoke that out. Oh, this palette is a must-have. The shimmer shadows feels very creamy on the eyes. For my lip, I'm going to take this lip liner by Georgiana Coco Loco. This is the Maybelline Puma lipstick, liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade number 10. If you are hearing of the Maybelline Puma Meeting Go because it's Puma, it's going to be expensive. No, it's very cheap because Maybelline is drugstore brand, so this lipstick are very cheap. I don't like the formula of the lipstick, so I'll use this lip gloss by Soap and Glory. This will make everything okay. Eyelaw 126 lashes, my favorite. For mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For highlighter of today, to apply highlighter, like to glow, I'm going to use the Becca highlighter. So apply a little bit of the highlighter right on the inner tear dot of the eyes. Let me just spray a little bit of the highlighter. So guys, this is the final look. The eyeshadow I like. I recommend this eyeshadow to anyone who wants to buy it. This is the Tammi S Revolution palette, £10. The eyeshadow is worth it. Look at the eye look. Pigmented and nice eyeshadow palette for the affordable price. This is good. This is good. Recommended from me to you, 100% good. Hope you guys like this look. Tell me at the comment section what you think about the eye look, the face, and everything. Just let me know if you are going to buy this eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you have it. Let me know at the comment section. I will see you guys soon on my next video. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always. I remain blessed. Bye guys. Bye. Fire, fire.